Preschool Planet.
This cafe looks so busy today. I think everyone woke up early.
Or maybe their houses ran out of milk.
You and your funny stories.
No, really. Last week, my milk disappeared.
It didn't disappear. You drank it at 3 a.m.
Oh, that explains my dream. I was swimming in milk.
You need more sleep.
I know. So, what will you order?
Maybe a caramel latte. I want something sweet today.
Sweet? Did something good happen?
Yes, I finished my homework last night.
What? You? Homework? Finished?
Why do you sound so shocked?
Because last time you said, I'll study at 8 p.m., and you slept at 7:59.
Today, I was motivated.
Wow, I'm proud of you.
Let's celebrate with coffee.
I will order something strong, something that can wake a ghost.
Don't scare the people here.
Look, the barista is smiling at us.
Maybe he thinks we are funny.
Or maybe we are the loudest people here.
True. Everyone else is so serious.
They look like they are solving world problems.
And we are talking about milk dreams.
That's more fun.
Okay, let's order before we get kicked out.
Yes, please. I need my ghost waking espresso.
Why do we always reach the bus stop right after the bus leaves?
Because the bus hates us. It sees us and says, run faster.
Maybe the driver is testing us.
If he's testing us, we fail every day.
Everyone looks so bored.
That man checks his watch every 10 seconds.
He will break it like this.
And that kid is eating chips at 7 a.m. I respect him.
Chips? For breakfast?
Yes, that's my lifestyle.
Your stomach will cry.
My stomach cries every morning.
Because you skip breakfast.
I always wake up late.
Set an alarm.
I have 5 alarms and I still sleep.
You are hopeless.
Thank you for your support.
Look, the bus is coming.
Finally,
Oh no, it's a garbage truck.
my life is a joke.
Don't lose hope. The bus will come.
Before sunset,
I hope before lunch.
if it doesn't come, let's eat ice cream instead.
That is tempting.
5 minutes. I give the bus 5 minutes to save our education.
Finally, we found a table.
Yes, people come here to read and to pretend to read.
Which one are you?
Pretending, of course.
I knew it.
Look at that guy. He's staring at the same page for 20 minutes.
Maybe he reads slowly.
Or maybe he's sleeping with his eyes open.
Don't judge.
Okay, let's study.
What book did you bring?
A book called How to Focus.
That is ironic.
I read 2 pages and got distracted by a fly.
You get distracted by air, too.
Yes, it's a skill.
I brought grammar notes.
Grammar scares me.
It's not scary. You just need practice.
I practiced once and cried.
You cry too easily.
Only for emotional things. Grammar, hunger, math.
Quiet. The librarian is staring.
Why does she appear like a ninja?
Shh.
Okay. Ninja librarian scares me.
Let's study seriously for 20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Yes.
I can give 5 minutes.
Fine, 5 minutes.
Deal.
Remember, we came for two things, bread and milk.
Yes, I remember.
Stay focused.
Oh, look, chips on sale.
No,
But they are calling me.
ignore them.
I will come back for you.
Stop talking to Chips.
Just one small packet?
No. Tiny packets. Still no.
You are breaking my heart.
I'm saving your health.
My health doesn't want saving.
Come. Dairy section.
Can we pass the chocolate aisle?
No.
You're destroying my dreams.
Your dreams are sugary.
And delicious.
Pick some apples.
Apples, why healthy things?
Because your stomach needs rest.
My stomach needs a vacation.
Bread and milk. Come on.
Oh, ice cream.
No.
Please, it's smiling at me.
You need help.
I need ice cream.
No.
Next time, I'm coming alone.
No. Because you will buy the whole supermarket.
Maybe.
This park is so peaceful.
Yes, after the supermarket, I needed this.
You were stressed because you couldn't buy chips.
My heart is still crying.
Stop being dramatic.
Drama is my talent.
The trees look beautiful.
Yes, and the wind feels nice.
Wanna walk?
Slowly. My brain is still angry at you.
Why?
Because you didn't let me buy ice cream.
Practical. You eat too much junk.
My stomach likes junk.
Your stomach needs a break.
My stomach needs a vacation.
You are impossible.
Look, that old couple. So sweet.
Yes. I want to be like them when I'm old.
I want to eat ice cream when I'm old.
Patience. You will, but not every day.
Sad rule.
Let's sit near the fountain.
Yes, the water sound is calming.
Reflecting. Today was fun, right?
Yes, coffee shop, bus stop, library, supermarket, now the park.
And you complained everywhere.
Complaining is my hobby.
I think talking too much is also your hobby.
Yes, I am multi-talented.
Tired. Sit quietly for 1 minute.
Shocked. 1 whole minute?
Yes.
Fine, but after that, I talk nonstop.
Oh no.
La 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 la.
You're unbelievable.
Thank you.